too much money.
Hey, baby, normal level. It is their turn. It's turn by turn. It's their turn. Let them spend it anyhow they want. Dorime is not for civil servants. Lao spending is not for salary earners. Eh? What else would they spend the money on if not to Dorime and to do giveaway? Let me tell you something. Giveaway is the best thing that can happen to those guys. They need to reduce any did in a libinatego. Money is too much.
I want to ask, what did they do? Or is it that group of company that gives them the money they spend? Those guys are spending too much money.
Ah, Kachi, you worry yourself too much. Eh? You don't need to ask what they are doing. It's simple. Dorime is not for civil servants. Lao spending is not for salary earners. You don't need to go deeper. All you need to do, hold on a line. Now to all, not on a street. We are in the street now. Look, money can come from anywhere, and you don't need to ask a man in the street what he does to make money. You already know.
Baby, I still don't believe it. Are you sure those people are not into money ritual?
Kachi, money rituals? Calm down. Dorime is not for civil servants. Lao spending, not for salary earners. Now, no, take one and one care bukwa azụ ndụ.
It's okay. It's okay, Joe. Have your drink.
Normal level, you should know. What care bụ azụ ndụ? Olugbo my turn. Akwọtago, enwetakwa m na stew. Elibe agwagwu. Our turn dey come. Normal level.
You see, chill, look out for. That's the reason I'm here.
My son,
Chill.
your intention is very good. You are welcome very, very, very much. No. Okay. Anyway, you want to.
Well, Michelle, all I want is a list so I can go bring my people for the marriage ceremony.
Papa.
Okay, no. You have no problem, eh? Everything you said will be done.
Hell!
You have no problem.
Go.
You're welcome.
You know you're my in-law now. And you see this door? It is wide open for you. At any time, just come in. Oh, hey, Izibogo.
Michelle, I'll be on my way now.
Bye-bye.
Papa, let me see.
Okay, no problem. Eh?
Please say hi to my beautiful wife.
No, you have no problem. Everything you said, I will do. Eh? When is Joma? Who brings you back in Gianna? Hey. Hey. Bye-bye.
You know, looking out for her is a work. And controlling her will be also difficult.
But she's your sister.
But she's my elder sister now. And there are lots of limitations to that. But when what is supposed to be done is done, you can start talking about that now.
I don't understand.
Before you came, I was doing something at the back, so let me go back to it.
She-boy, I really do love your sister. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
Come on, you and call love. If we are talking about love, you see Casey. Casey has 0.1. If we wanted our sister to marry because of love, you wouldn't have met her single now. Eh? And I come on, you and I call love. Nah, I can show working people.
She-boy, you mean the money is a problem, right? She-boy.
Now you're talking.
She-boy, I hope you don't have any intention of selling off your sister.
let one of your nails scratch my sister, and you will know I'm not selling her off. Drive safely, oh. Speed kills.
Now listen, what I have said is final, and that is what you must do.
Papa, I don't even understand you. I don't get you one bit. I mean, is this how desperate you want me out of your house? Someone who calls himself a man came to your house to marry your only daughter. He did not come with any of his relatives or friends. As if that insult was not enough, he came empty-handed. You said he just left and I don't see any drinks here. What a shame, Father.
No. There's no shame anywhere. There is no shame anywhere.
Rest.
As a matter of fact, the only shame I see here is you. Who is pouring out your heart to a man who cannot even take care of you or get a day? Well, just so you know, I have a duty now. And that duty is to protect you. So you will only see one man henceforth.
Can you say it? Papa, can you see what you cause? This thing, this boy. J-boy one bad shop yesterday. Cannot talk to me at will.
No, don't blame my eyes.
No problem, I will leave this house for you people. I will leave this house.
Leave it and go and marry.
Listen. Whether she likes it or not,
Go and marry.
we'll even arrange the youth to carry her to a man's house.
Go and marry.
Whether you like it, what I have said is the final. And
Marry.
you must do.
Marry and go.
We
can be like other families.
Chimo, what is the meaning of this? Kachi, what is the meaning of it? Why will your boyfriend splash water on me?
Well, you see, if you were in your own car, this wouldn't have happened to you. Hold on, I'm coming. Well, I'm so sorry about that. How much will it cost you to clean it up? I just remembered you don't even use dry cleaner, so have this. You need to have it and clean up yourself. Oh, yeah, go Beauty, you need it. You need to clean up yourself. So think about what I'm telling you.
Ije nwoke no siri ike, ije nwoke na fialala, ife nwoke na fuelikano, ebe a na-achọ ka ebute ike n'ụwa. Brother, respect your hustle, follow on tight, nwoke ya ebute ike n'ụwa, nwoke ya afụ n'ego n'ụwa. Brother, respect your hustle, follow on tight. Emessia no ya dinu manu. If you working out for no pick money no day today, but money go fit come tomorrow. Don't you look down on the man where they hustle, cause tomorrow you go feel make them loud. Respect your hustle, follow on tight. Okay, you put it in the okay, I feel like brother, respect your hustle. Follow up tight. Emessia no ya dinu manu. If you're working out for no pick a man go the hustle from one hustle to the other. Working at your neck no. If I burn out for letting you see no. Each working no silly game. Each working up your lala. If you're working up fuelikano, eba na choke boutique no. Brother, respect your hustle, follow on tight, Okay, you put it in the okay, I feel like brother, respect your hustle. Follow up tight. Let me say, no, you didn't man. If you're working out for no, you can money no day today, but money go fit come tomorrow. Don't you look down on the man where they hustle, cause tomorrow you go feel make them loud, respect your hustle. Follow up tight.
Oh, babe. If I say all is well with me, then I'm lying. My heart is heavy. When are you coming to see my father? The pressure is becoming too unbearable, oh, babe. I want you to come. Please come around. Come and see my father. I want him to know I have a man. I have someone who loves me, who I love. Oh, babe, you will not believe what Kachi did to me today. Please, please come. Please, I beg you. As soon as possible, that's what you keep saying. You need to come. You need to come. Please. Chiboy. Please. Wait. Can I have Uchenna's number?
If you're walking off, well, you can Ebana choke everything, brother, respect your hustle. Follow up tight. Okay, you put it in okay, I feel like brother, respect your hustle. Follow up tight. Let me say, no, you didn't man. If you're walking off, you can money no day today, but money go fit come tomorrow. Don't you look down on the man where they are.
I'm sorry.
Where they hustle, cause tomorrow you go feel make them loud, respect your hustle. Follow up tight. Okay, you put it in okay, I feel like brother, respect your hustle. Follow up tight. Let me say, no, you didn't man. If you're walking out for no, you can a man go the hustle. From one house.
Casey. So you're sleeping on duty? You are sleeping on duty? Try this next time and kiss your job goodbye.
From one house to the other, walking at your neck, no. If I burn out for letting you see no, it's a walking no silly gay. It's a walking off your lala. If you're walking off, well, you can.
Olisa, what is going through your mind?
Mama, the way Beauty reacted to me today was weird. Mama, I think something is definitely wrong.
Which Beauty are you talking about?
Mama, the very Beauty that you know. Mama, I think she has lost faith in brother. And I wouldn't blame her. Mama, oh my God, she's a woman.
Only someone. You see, she cannot do such thing. When I see a woman that loves a man to a fault, that is beauty. She cannot do such thing, and she won't.
Mama, I know what I'm saying. Mama bros beauty in Kemma. Beauty that will start shouting my name from a distance whenever she sees me. Mama.
So is that why your face is like this?
Mama, why wouldn't my face be like this? I'm just concerned about my brother. I'm just concerned about what will happen to him if my assumptions are right.
Don't worry. What will be, will be. Eh? Let's go inside. Let's go and eat. It's evening already.
I'll join you later.
Come. Yeah.
Cheer up. Mama, will you put the food back?
Respect your hustle. Follow up tight.
Don't tire. See, I don't get joy. See, I did vex. It's not Monica issue. I don't tire.
And I know that Monica be the major issue. You know me, they tell you, say, make we kill this guy high now for this. No, the start for me. You say the fear madam. Me, I know the fear madam. I know the fear madam at all. We got full heads together and think what we go do this guy. That black girl, which she black like Robin's well born.
See, I don't want to laugh. It's not be one time for see they cry till now. Say, I don't get your time to laugh. See, I dey para. I dey vex.
Make we think. You think. Use your brain. Use 80% of your brain. Say think. And make a manage the remaining 20. Say think my own.
Okay. What you want more do? What you want more? Just talk anything.
And my own na to kill am. This shovel, I won't bury this girl for this compound.
My think. You don't think?
Nah, I think I did think.
Hey! Go. Bring your ear.
You get sense, oh! You don't know that you get sense like this. I just say you can't say get big ass. You know the get sense. You get sense. Not they cost me. Just go do the thing sharp now. Go do one sharp.
Make sure you shut up your mouth, oh. Make shut up this your long mouth.
What is that one come now? Who are they do I go with again? Who they come by heaven of you?
Where have you been?
Worried?
Of course I am.
Baby, I've told you countless times to stop getting yourself worked up about me each time I'm not around. You have everything you need at home. All you need to do is take good care of yourself. That's all.
I know, but...
There is no but. Honey, look. I'm a street boy. I walk in the streets. I hustle in the streets. I get paid in the streets. I'm a street boss. I'm hungry.
Okay, let me quick. Hope you like it.
This is delicious.
Oh.
I love it.
Thank you, baby.
Baby. So tell me, how did you spend your day at home?
My day was so boring. You know, sitting at home doing nothing. Baby, it's not good for me. Don't you think I should start up a business?
No.
And why can't I?
Honey, you don't need a business. All you need to do is sit at home, be beautiful for me, and take good care of yourself.
Baby, sitting at home doing nothing, it's not cool. Don't you know Loneliness can kill. I need to go out there like every other woman do. I need to work, baby. I don't want to be sitting indoor all day, doing nothing.
Honey,
yes,
you're not
babe.
every other woman. You're special to me. You're my wife, my everything. You don't need to work. You don't need any business. You're not lonely. You have the television, the Wi-Fi is on, it's connected to the router. You can surf the internet, make video calls with your friends, talk to anyone, do anything. And if you're bored, you can always call me to come back home and take you out. Alright? I just want you to be beautiful for me, take good care of yourself until we get our first child. Okay?
Okay.
Now tell me, is there anything you want that I've not done for you?
No, baby.
Sage, is there anything you need? Do you need a new car? I'll call Danjuma, okay? He'll get you a new car. What model do you want? Tell me, you want an SUV, Lexus, Benz, Toyota?
Baby, stop it.
Name it. Anything you want, I'll do it for you.
Keep spoiling me, okay?
Don't worry, I'll make a choice for you. Have I said I love you? Oh, you know I love you, baby.
What about the fruits? Don't you want to taste some?
Yes, honey. I just finished with the company representative. Yes, settled. We are done with every preparation to go offshore. Yes, what I just need is the payment to get the vessel and the chopper for us to go offshore. Yes, at the oil rig. Yes, honey, were you able to get the No, just a voice from the television.
Desmond. You mean no?
Stop. Go inside, I'll join you. Hello, honey? No, I told you I was seeing a movie. Yeah. Yes, the voice from the television, and Jackie, my pet dog, would not allow me to rest. I'm so tired, my love. So, baby, are you done with the transaction? It was successful? They did not allow you to pay in the money? The SWIFT code? I'll get back to you. What nonsense? Huh? Kaji?
Chief. Chief, good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
Very fine, sir. Very fine. I didn't know you still patronize us after what happened that day.
But we'll keep buying fuel.
Right.
We have to buy fuel.
Thank you, sir.
So how's work?
We are trying, sir. Stressful, but we love the job, sir.
Oh, no, that's the spirit. You know? You have to keep it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please,
all right. She'll put for you. Your tank is close to her.
ask her to hurry up, please.
Please open the tank.
It's open already. Let her pop it up.
Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it?
I don't know what to call this one. Little one finally means to take me to the hospital.
Hey, which other means you want me to do forget now? Can you stand?
My body is paining me.
Just try stand, please.
Hey!
Mama, which one is this one again? What do you want me to do? Really, you talk. What do you want me to do?
Please, my son, help me. Help me, my body is paining me. Oh, my body is paining me. Oh.
What do you say that in name again, please?
Olisa.
Olisa. The truth is, you have to go and bring more money, okay? Because the money you deposited will not go anywhere empty.
Doctor, please. Don't be offended. Please, what is wrong with my mother? I really need to know.
Your mother have a hole in her lung. Yes. As it stands now, the only thing we need to do is to manage the situation because the treatment is very, very expensive. The very reason I asked you to go and bring more money so that we can save you better.
How? Doctor, how? Which one is hole in the lungs? Like, how did they hole? Doctor, how? How?
Calm down, okay?
Hey.
Calm down. Listen, this thing can happen to anybody.
Not my
mother. I'm sorry, but just a bit of circumstance. Please, I will advise you go now and look for the money because anytime you go sleep, your mother is heading to her grave already. Okay? Not start doing it. Okay, so you can. Excuse me.
Hey! Hey!
Ije nwoke no siri ike, ije nwoke na fialala, ife nwoke na fuelikano, ebe a na-achọ ka ebute ike n'ụwa. Brother, respect your hustle, follow on tight, nwoke ya ebute ike n'ụwa, nwoke ya afụ ego n'ụwa. Brother, respect your hustle, follow on tight. Emessia ya dị mmanụ ife nwoke na-afụ n'obi kanụ. Money no day today, but money go fit come tomorrow. Don't you look down on the man where they hustle, cause tomorrow you go fit make them loud. Respect your hustle, follow on tight. Nwoke ya ebute ike n'ụwa, nwoke ya afụ ego n'ụwa. Brother, respect your hustle, follow up tight. Emessia no ya dị mmanụ ife nwoke na-afụ n'obi kanụ. A man go the hustle from one hustle to the other. Nwoke na-achụ n'ego n'ụnụ ife ọ bụ n'afọ na-etinye isi n'ụnụ. Ije nwoke no siri ike, ije nwoke na fialala.
All I did was do my part as human and waiting for God to do his part as God that he is.
Okay. The money I paid, will it be enough to handle her bills?
For the time being, I won't lie to you. Okay? I'll just have to be managing her condition. And she'll have to be coming for checkups. Let me say once in every 3 months, yeah. So that's it.
Alright, can I take her home today?
No. She have to finish her dose this night, okay? I'll have to take a good clothes on her and by tomorrow I'll discharge her, then you can take her home by tomorrow. Okay?
Alright. Let me go then.
Oh, sure. Kelechi, it is only God that can help us through this process, okay? I want you to take things easy, alright?
Thank you.
School is fine, just that we've missed you and Dad.
Really?
Yeah, where is Dad?
Yeah, it's not work. Hey, you're welcome. Wow. Hey. How is school? How are you doing?
Madam. I beg, move this.
It's like I perceive chin and ice cream inside this una bag, bro.
Hey! Come on, get out of here. It's only chin like that. It's okay. No one, I'll call you back here.
Okay, madam. I trust you, madam.
Mommy, I don't need to assure you. You're looking good. You talk too much this time. Mommy, I'm just getting back. Cut me some slack, please. You won't change. I missed you. I have something for you. Okay, ma'am. I must have a gist from the top. Serious? Wow, mommy, you know I love gist. Oh, my beautiful children. Ah.
Hi, Kelly. Hi.
You traced me down to my house.
These are the things we do for the sake of love.
Things we do for sake of which love? What are you doing here? Huh? I see you've come down here to continue your wickedness, right?
How could you say that? How?
I said, what are you doing here? What are you doing in my house?
Kelly, I came to see you because I love you.
See, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay? I don't know what you're talking about. Both of us are in different worlds. Do your job, I do mine.
I did all that because I love you and I didn't know how to express it.
Oh. No wonder. Now I know why you did what you did earlier today. Listen to me. I am not interested. Okay? I don't want you. Let me be. Do your job, I do mine. Please. Just forget that we ever had this conversation. And don't come to my house again. I beg you. Don't come to my house again.
Hello, Bro Casey. Right, good afternoon. Yes, I'm fine. Mama is fine. She just took her medicine now. Yes. Yeah. Brother, how is work now? No, she has not come. She has not. Okay, no problem. I will tell her. She will hear when she wakes up. She's sleeping now. Bro, take care of yourself.
Rose.
Yes, no, madam.
Suspend what you are doing and go and wash my clothes first.
Leave am. If I finish, I'll go and wash it.
I keep the instructions here, not the other way around.
Wait here. You beat me. I was doing something. If I finish, I'll go to her.
Monica!
Why'd you have to do that?
This idiot doesn't know her place in this house. Out beside her.
Oh, will you shut up your mouth? She's not an idiot. And even if you want to do anything, it's not by bullying her.
Listen, Martina. I'm looking for my job. This is not your business. Why are you always interfering in my affairs? Get off my affairs. I won't warn you again. And as for you, I am going to be back here in 20 minutes time. I want my clothes neatly washed and spread.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying. I'll help you out with it.
No. Leave am.
I say that. I'm not complaining.
No, leave am. Oga go vex.
Stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
You know when you carry face like this now, wetin dey do you? Wetin happen?
That Monica, that Monica, That girl. Hey! That girl too wicked. Very wicked woman being. Just because say I just do small mistake, not even say I intentionally do, I just, now that kind of thing. So I just put one meat instead of two. If you see the hot slap where she land me.
Wait. Which of them be the Monica so? Not be that black one, red black like that also. Nice slap you. Hey, you can not be me. Hey, you can not. I go beat them. I go slap them back. I beg. Madam dey house.
No, Madam dey house. She no dey.
You don't be you carry talk. You won't put me for trouble. But that girl say na very anyhow person o. You know say you get one day. That the way they take come back from school the first time. Na so I carry this girl bag o. Ordinary chin, wetin be chin. They go kill people hide for this compound. And they tell you they go kill people hide. Only chin. This girl gonna cost me, cost my family, cost my generation, cost people wey even die for our family. Sure, it makes sense. You should see you should see now madam even burn that one sef. You know they see. You should see that madam burn that one.
Hey! See, I know. Where I beg. I don't know where you dey go. I don't even know.
Damn, sit down, make we talk.
No, not be your guy.
You too dey fear. You dey here. You dey fear those small rats.
Not be me and you.
Me, I no dey fear anybody for this compound o. Me, I no dey fear one person for this.
Please talk to me now, please. Okay, I'm sorry for all that happened in the past. Can you please talk to me now?
See, supervisor, please. Biko, I'm begging you, huh? Let me rest now, please. Huh? Let me rest, please. I don't know what I was saying now. You give me query. Please, don't leave me now. I don't know how to answer questions. I'm begging you.
Kenny, why are you sounding this way? I love you.
Brother, respect your hustle. Follow up tight. Okay, you put it brother, respect your hustle.
That the recent attitude of the supervisor towards Edochie. I knew she was being hard on him for a reason. So she has always had her eyes on him. So the best way to go about it is to be rude to him. So when she finally makes her advances, he will not say no. First, you intimidate because you are in the position of authority. And later you become nice to that person so that the person will feel like you're helping him or her. And will not say no to your advances. That is her plan and that is the thing she's trying to do. Oh, just like she did to Johnson. Of course. Exactly the way she did to Johnson. But my only fear is if Kelechi refuses her, she might do something stupid. I know Kelechi is too smart for her. But that lady, she's something else. Some ladies can be mean sometimes. She does not have shame. No single shame. Not at all. If you like somebody, you want to frustrate the person. I told you some ladies are like that. If I like somebody, I'll tell you.
Monica.
Yes, Dad.
Why were you bullying Rose?
Dad, she insulted me.
She insulted you?
Yes, Dad.
That you met her in the middle of something. Asked her to go wash your clothes. And she said no. Is that what you call an insult?
Dad, that Rose of a girl doesn't know her place in this house. So I ought to put her where she belongs. But if you only shut up your mouth. Like an animal in the zoo. Is she not human? That is here talking sense with you and you're here talking rubbish. Dear Martina, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. What's your problem now? Who called you into this? Will you shut up?
Monica, I said shut up. I don't want to hear this nonsense again in this house. Oh yeah, both of you upstairs.
Hey, Money, come here. Come here. Come back here. Come here. Come here. What's come over you? What has come over you? Now you listen to me. This must not happen again. Am I clear on that? Am I clear on that?
Yes, Dad.
Now get out. Out!
Honey, now wow. Awala kan wage na ba?
You know she reminds me every inch of your mother.
Look at you.
Every inch of your mom.
Honey, Monica is through you. Your blood.
Whose blood?
You don't know.
She's every inch your mother. I will never forget your mother in a hurry.
Honey, have you forgotten? Like father, like daughter.
My mother sent me to you that she needs water.
Hey, tell her that my mother is not feeling very well and I can't leave her all by herself.
Okay. Okay, I will be on my way.
I'm strong now. You have to resume work.
And besides, brother will not be happy if anything goes wrong or because I left you by yourself. No.
I'm fine. Go and fetch her the water. I hate it when you don't listen.
I'm okay, I will go. Just be fine. No?
Yeah, I will be fine. But I thank you, my son.
Yeah, my dear.
Thank God I met you. I was actually coming to your house to pour your water.
Okay, you pour the water.
Yes.
Take.
Okay. So manage this.
Thank you very much.
Pour inside the black butter at the back of the house.
Black one?
Yeah, the black one.
Okay, no problem.
How's your mom?
She's getting fine.
Okay. I greet her for me.
Yes, ma. Thank you so much.
My
Let me
regards
run along.
Okay. My regards to her.
Okay.
Thank you.
Who is there?
Who is that? Is that why you're knocking at my gate like a madman?
Oh God, show me where to pour.
Well, come, let me show you.
Yes, I have given her your contact. Yes, now she demanded for it. I told you. When she called you, you know she will do so much shakara. You know this main thing now. I just take it easy with her. Oh? Okay. Mana, you send me the money now so I can give to her. Okay. No, Subadi, I'll send my account number to you. So I can forward the money. Oh? What is I use in this house if not making money from her? Hey! Kelechi Ubi. Kelechi. Get it for Why did you have to incur such shortage in this business? Why?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how this happened. I'm as confused as you are.
Confused? I'm not as confused as you are. Let me tell you, when I'm done with you, you will be more confused than you are.
Look, I love this job. Believe me. I'm always very focused and careful with my job. I don't know how this happened. I love this job.
What did I tell you people about shortage? I said something about shortage. What did I tell you people about shortage?
You always tell us that shortage is regarded as stealing because it cannot be accounted for.
Kelechi. Kelechi Obi. Kelechi Obi. I called this meeting to inform you all that Kelechi Obi will not be working with us again. Yes, he has a lot of shortage in his sales and you all know what that means. So, will not be allowed to do anything in this company. He's free to patronize us, but he's not allowed to do anything in this company. Kelechi, you can leave.
Manager, I didn't do it. I didn't steal money. I don't know how it happened.
Do not allow me to call the police to escort you to the station. Kelechi, I say you can leave. Leave these premises now.
Ije nwoke no siri ike, ije nwoke na fialala, ife nwoke na fuelike no, ebe a na-achọ ka ebute ike no. Brother, respect your hustle no. Follow am tight yo. Nwoke ya ebute ike no.
Poor Kelechi. But how could he be that careless? I feel pity for him.
Something is telling me that all these are set up.
What setup are you talking about? No, tell me what setup. Huh? I knew this would happen. No one is above mistake. Shortage is something that can happen to anybody. Huh? I've been warning Kelechi. I knew this would happen. Huh? I've been warning Kelechi, but he will not listen. Huh? Shortage is something that can happen to anybody. You and I know that. Huh? Since when Kelechi started playing with every customer that comes to this station, I know that this will happen. I don't tell this girl, but you know go here. I can't say, guy, use your head. Use your head for this station, but you know they listen. Now you don't say, they don't say.
To me, his behavior brought a lot of persons to this station. He's supposed to be appreciated for it now, not the other way round. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Well, he got what he deserved. I don't tell this guy. Guy, calm down. Know how you do things. You know go here. Now see, you ain't want go find work now. Eh? This day to look for a job is very, very difficult.
I don't know why that girl just hates this young man so much. I don't know.
Supervisor, I beg, forget that one, I beg. That one I'm in business. You do something for that girl, eh? Better move.
What is the meaning of all this? What crime did I commit being nice and contributing to the company? How do I start all
money no day today, but money go fit come tomorrow. Why don't you look down on the man where they hustle? Cause tomorrow you go fit make them loud, loud. Respect your hustle. Follow up tight to you. What can you put in no? What can you for no? Brother, respect your hustle. Follow up tight to you. Let me see no ya didn't no man. If you're working out for no, you can know.
Huh? You devil. You devil. What are you doing here?
Kele, you of all people should have known that no one dares me and go scot-free. You should have treaded with caution. But no, you choose to be stubborn.
Because you feel as if the world is revolving around you. Because you're handsome and hardworking.
What did I do to you? Eh? What did I do to you to deserve this act of wickedness? How did I hurt you? What do you mean?
No man says no to me. No man. Because if you do, you go in for it. You're having your own share of the cake, so enjoy it while it lasts.
Is it by force? Eh? Is it by force? I don't want now. Pack this thing and give to another person at once. Go out there, you see other men. Leave me alone.
Oh, Kele, you forgot so easily. You forgot I was the one that taught you how to operate that pump. Oh, you thought I gave you all? No, I adjusted the meter. And that was why you had those shortages.
Really? No problem. You've won. It's okay, you've won. I can't do anything to you. It's okay. But the God I serve will visit you. God will punish you. My God will pay you back. Don't worry. You tell me if it's by force to love somebody. I do not want. I don't want you. It's not by force. Carry this thing and give to another person. I don't want.
But I want you.
I don't want you.
I want you.
I don't want
I
you.
want you.
I don't want you. Go. Eh? Is it by force? Somebody says he doesn't want to do. Take it to somebody else that will do now. Go. Carry this thing and go. I don't want you. I do not want you. Go. I don't want you. You want me. You want me. Is it by force? God will punish you there.
Young man, are you sure you can do the job?
Very well, sir.
You're sure? Have you worked in a bar before?
I haven't. But I worked in a place where I had access to lots of customers. I know how to handle them. I can cope.
You sound educated. Are you a college graduate?
Oh, yes. University graduate, sir. Yes. I know that with very little training, I'll do very well, sir.
Well, that's good. It's all right. You bring your CV tomorrow morning. Let's see what we can do.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
What time should I come?
10 a.m. will be okay. And please don't keep me waiting. Sure. Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Yes, you said you have something you want us to talk about. What is it?
Yes, Chief. I heard the governor wants to renovate the government house. And I spoke with the chief of staff to help me get the contract to install the security gadgets in the government house, but it's not forthcoming. And Chief, I really need that contract. And you have to help me, please.
How close are you to the chief of staff?
I'm actually close to him, very close.
Okay. In that sense, can you fix an appointment?
Yeah,
So I
sure.
can get to meet with him?
Yeah, I can fix an appointment.
Right. So go ahead. Once you do that, you let me know.
All right, I'll do just that. Thank you very much.
Again, you were supposed to go to Abuja for this other.
Lucy, baby. Baby. Oh, Mali Jam. Organilo.
What's up?
No, get with you, I will tell you. I'm not important to me, I will tell you. And see, you know, say like this, as you do like this, so now, person will get bright future that you need for your life. Somebody like me. You can't come out of that one. You know, like say, I'm not going to look for any eye for this compound. Make I tell you, I get big dream. You see this house? Me, I go buy this compound. I go buy them. I go buy them. You see that kind 15 to 20 years time, I go buy this compound. Me and Okada dey really negotiate now. You see, I go get money, I go take care of you. Just dey with me. Dey with me. Oh, my children, this is the call. When I'm Martina, I mean, Martina, I don't know. They go work for us. They go work for us for this compound.
Shut your mouth. You smoke? No, you high? See, I'm not going to tell you. Rose, I don't suffer. See, carry your useless future. If they hear me, carry your useless future for all my friends. Any day when you meet for that your useless future, all my useless marry on myself for there. See, if
we get character for this one, you don't like better things. See, I go rule this country one day. I will be president for this country. You go come be first lady now. You don't like better things, you. No, talk like that before.
I don't blame you.
You say all this dirty house, this smelly house, you how much they pay you for years, sef?
I don't blame you. Carry that your long mouth. That your long mouth. Go sit down for gates. They don't let me vex for you. See your mouth like pee raw.
Rosie, you not gonna be down better man. You know better pass me, oh. I get head, oh. I get head.
Maxwell! Come.
Ross, are you?
Please, able to get toiletries down the road. And please, be fast.
Now me this guy talk to just now. If I see this morning now, they go say I wicked. Then me the person gonna receive cost for this compound. Like this man I be, I not be anybody here and born.
Are you the same young man at the gas station?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing here?
I work here now.
Oh, really?
Yes, I was fired there.
Fired?
Yes, sir. But it wasn't my fault, though. Wicked people everywhere.
So how's work?
Very fine, sir.
Open the drinks.
You're welcome, sir.